Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so yesterday I made a video how to fix the speech services by Google waiting for connection notification error. Quite a few people have messaged me saying that after rebooting, the notification message still appears. So I'm going to show you how to fix this once and for all. Okay, so just go back into the settings and scroll back down to Google. And search for Google Apps. Search Assistant and Voice. Select Voice. Offline Speech Recognition. Okay, so if you live in the UK or if you live in the US, wherever you live, just uninstall it. So as you can see, I have uninstalled it. And then beside it, beside where it says installed, select all. And then just scroll through the list and select your country again and your language, so English UK, and then just download it again. And as you can see there, it's downloading. And then that's all you've got to do. So as you can see, it has now reappeared on the list there, English UK. So that's how you fix the problem permanently, guys. Anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.